even small tasks at home. But what we forget is that these delays build up and create stress later. Successful people always value time and do their work on time. People procrastinate because of the fear of failure, low self-esteem, fear of judgment, immediate reward bites, lack of motivation, distraction, and lack of clarity. These factors encourage avoidance and lower productivity. We can overcome procrastination by breaking down tasks, the 2-minute rule, making rewards immediate, challenging negative thoughts, setting simple, clear goals, time management, and keeping ourselves away from common distractions like social media and mobile phones. A classic real-world example of procrastination is a student who waits until a night before an exam to start preparing, leading to exhaustion and lower marks. This case shows how procrastination directly impacts on result and confidence. The best way to avoid such situations, the best way is to get something done is to begin now. So let us not wait for tomorrow. Let's act today. Lost time is never found again. Every minute wasted in delaying is a minute stolen from your success. We keep waiting for the perfect time to act, but the truth is, there is no perfect time. The best time is always now. Remember friends, procrastination makes easy things hard and hard things harder.